Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we completed the second part for Power Query Editor user interface. In this video, we will be completing its third part. Let's get started. In the Add Column tab, we have options for columns from examples, which is used to create columns from example. We have custom column, which creates new column based on a custom formula. We have invoke custom function, which invokes custom function on a column. We have conditional column, which adds value conditionally. We have index column, which creates a new column at zero index. We have duplicate column, which is used to apply transformations without modifying the original column. When we go to the View tab, we have options for layout, data preview, columns parameters, advanced and dependencies. By using formula bar checkbox, we can hide or unhide the formula bar. Using data preview, we can have different previews. Go to allows you to go to a specified column. Using advanced query editor, we can view and modify the entire text. The query dependency view allows you to view dependency tree. When we go to the Tools tab, we have options for Diagnose step, Start diagnostics, Stop diagnostics, and Diagnostic options. Stop diagnostic options allows you to manage options for query diagnostics. Using the options from the Help tab, we can connect with the community or take help from it. And that's it. In the next video, we will be working on data transformation example part 1. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.